What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Top 5 Tray, your go-to spot for the smartest tech that actually earns a place in your bag, your pocket, or in this case, your hand. Because today we're talking about a game changer for content creators, vloggers, mobile filmmakers, anyone who wants buttery smooth footage without breaking the bank. Say hello to the Hohem iSteady M7, a magnetic AI-powered gimbal that's taking mobile stabilization to the next level. Remember, the product featured in this video will be linked in the description below, so be sure to scroll down and check it out. Before we jump in, go ahead and hit that like button if you've ever tried filming a perfect shot only to end up with shaky chaos. And subscribe if you're all about leveling up your tech game. Oh, and drop a comment. What's your go-to camera setup right now? Phone, mirrorless, action cam? Let's hear it. All right, let's get into it. The Hohem iSteady M7 is not just another 3-axis gimbal. This thing is absolutely stacked. We're talking AI tracking, a detachable touchscreen remote, fill lighting, and even a built-in extension pole. That's right. This gimbal isn't just about keeping your shots smooth. It's about unlocking creative angles, tight control, and powerful performance right from your phone. Let's start with the design. First impressions, super slick. It's compact when folded but fully extended. You get up to 193 millimeters of additional reach thanks to that built-in pole. Perfect for capturing low-angle cinematic shots, high-angle travel vlogs, or those overhead B-roll sequences you usually need a tripod or drone to nail. The build feels premium with a nice weight to it. Not too heavy to carry all day, but sturdy enough that you know it's doing serious work under the hood. And let's talk payload, because the iSteady M7 can handle up to 500 grams. That means it's not just for lightweight smartphones. If you've got a Pro Max iPhone, a Galaxy Ultra, or even a phone rigged up with a mic or lens attachments, it's got you covered. But here's where it gets wild. The magnetic AI tracker. This isn't just face tracking baked into an app. We're talking on-device AI that locks onto your subject and follows it with precision, no matter where you move. Want to walk and talk, dance, shoot a cooking demo or a fitness tutorial? This gimbal follows you like a loyal cameraman. You don't even need to hold it. Slap it on a tripod and let the AI do its thing. And the AI tracker attaches magnetically to your phone. That means it stays secure, doesn't get in the way, and works seamlessly with your favorite camera apps. Not just the Hohem app. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Live. Wherever you're creating, this setup works. Now, let's talk control. The iSteady M7 features a detachable touchscreen remote. And let me tell you, this changes the game. You can double tap to lock focus, tap and drag to reframe, or track an object with precision. It's smooth, it's intuitive, and you don't even need to touch your phone. It's like having a second shooter in your pocket. And of course, no mobile setup is complete without good lighting. That's why the iSteady M7 includes 360 RGB fill lighting. Whether you're filming at golden hour or indoors at night, you can choose your color temperature and lighting strength on the fly right from the remote. No more grainy, underexposed footage. Your shots stay crisp, vibrant, and professional, even in tough conditions. Now let's talk shooting styles. The M7 supports multiple gimbal modes. Follow, pan follow, POV, inception, and lock mode. Want to spin the camera 360 degrees for a mind-bending inception shot? Done. Need ultra-stable tracking as you walk? Easy. Want to pan smoothly across a landscape? Just dial it in. And because it's from Hohem, it includes smart gesture controls and motion time-lapse features right inside the app, giving you pro-level creative tools with zero friction. Let's not forget battery life. The iSteady M7 packs serious juice, enough to keep shooting for hours without stress. And if you're using the built-in fill light or running heavy motors with a big rig, no problem. Just plug in a power bank via USB-C and keep going. It even supports reverse charging, so if your phone's running low mid-shoot, you can tap into the gimbal's power and stay live. And speaking of accessories, the iSteady M7 is designed with 3 expansion ports. That means you can add mics, cold shoe mounts, even additional lighting rigs. No clunky adapters needed. You can build a full-blown mobile rig with professional control and still keep it lightweight and compact. Here's what this all adds up to. Cinematic footage, full control, creative freedom, all from your phone. Whether you're a vlogger on the go, a mobile filmmaker building a portfolio, or just someone who wants their Instagram reels to look like a Netflix short, the Hohem iSteady M7 makes it happen. And if you're thinking this sounds like a creator's dream tool, yeah, that's because it is. You're getting smooth 3-axis stabilization, magnetic AI tracking, a detachable touchscreen remote, pro-grade fill light, 193 millimeters of built-in extension, high payload support, and total compatibility with iPhone and Android. It's not just a gimbal, it's a full mobile production studio in your hand. So, if you've been relying on shaky selfie sticks or basic tripods, it's time to level up. The Hohem iSteady M7 delivers pro results without the pro hassle. Let me know in the comments, how would you use a gimbal like this? Travel vlogs, sports, street content, and if you found this breakdown helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more real tech reviews, and don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss what's next. Until then, stay smooth, stay creative. Peace out.